My family went to the aquarium today. For a project, I have to make up some math expressions based on what I saw. So I counted some of the animals that I saw. My favorite animals were the seals, otters, and eels. I've decided my first expression is going to be about the number of seals I saw today. At the aquarium, I found that the number of seals is 1/3 the number of otters. I want to write a variable expression for the number of seals in terms of the number of otters. So, my unknowns are the number of seals, of course, and the number of otters. Interesting. So I need two variables in my expression for the two unknowns. I will use t for the number of otters and s for the number of seals. I know the number of seals is 1/3 the number of otters. I can write the expression using s for the seals is equal to t divided by 3, because 1/3 means divided by 3. Or I can write s equals t over 3, because 1/3 of the otters means t times 1/3, or o over 3. My next expression is going to be about the number of eels. I noticed that the number of eels is 7 less than twice the number of otters. So, now my unknowns are the number of eels and the number of otters. Again, I need two variables in my expression for the two unknowns. I'll use e for the number of eels, and I will use t for the number of otters again. I know the number of eels is 7 less than twice the number of otters. I can write the expression using e for the eels, and that equals twice the otters, which means 2 times t, or just 2t. But I'm not done, because the number of eels is 7 less than twice the number of otters, so we need to subtract 7. So, the expression for eels in terms of otters is e equals 2t minus 7. Cool, I made up two expressions about the animals at the aquarium.